In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize your WooCommerce shop header using Breakdance. I've already imported a design set in one click using Breakdance, so we've got a header, footer, and some page designs to work with.
So from the front end, the easiest way to get to this header is to hover over Breakdance in the admin bar and click Open Header Home Header. But there are actually two headers with this design set. Let's go back to the WordPress admin panel and go to Breakdance Headers. Here you can see all of the headers. The reason there's two is because one of them is set to show on the home page, but then the other one is set to show everywhere else. But we actually don't need two for this site, so we can get rid of this home page one. Let's click trash. If we need to get that back, it is in the trash over here, so we can get it back. But for this one, we need to go to settings and we need to set it to everywhere, which it is. And we need to remove this condition so it actually is used everywhere. Now we can click edit in Breakdance. So while we're doing this, we're also going to set up our global settings, especially our global colors, because we're going to be using them as we design things. So we know we want to change this green to something that's on brand, and I have a little palette of colors I've selected. So we'll go into the three dots here and go to global settings and go to colors, and we're going to start tweaking all of this. Let's go ahead and open up our palette, and we're going to swap these out. For the white, I want to use this kind of warm white. And we'll use that for all of these kind of whitish colors. And then for this green color, we're going to swap that out for this red. We're going to change the base to a darker black. We'll leave the gray for now, but we might tweak it later. And then for links, we're going to put in this kind of burnt orange color. And then for our brand color up here, let's go ahead and select our action color. And that's pretty much all we need to do for our colors. If we actually jump up to the front end of the website, we'll see that all the colors everywhere have now changed. Let's go to home, and you'll see that impact as we kind of scroll through here. Now, some of it doesn't look perfect right away, and we're going to tweak it as we go, but all the colors across the entire site are now using our global color palette. Let's tweak this banner here. We'll select it and go to background, and we'll change this to our link color. And then for the text, let's go ahead and change it to a white color. So we'll click the design tab here, go to typography, and select one of our white colors. Now, if we want to edit the text, all we have to do is double click it here and start typing, or we can go to the content tab and change it here. So we'll go ahead and say free shipping for all orders above 100. Now let's go down to the header biller element itself. This is an element that has effects like overlay and sticky, which are common for headers, but we actually don't need overlay on this particular one, so we'll get rid of that. And let's go up to background and set it to our red color. You can see we're already starting to get the feel of like a hot sauce brand just by using these warmer colors. Next up, we need our logo, which we don't actually have a logo, so we're going to create one out of text. We'll click the image that's here, we'll click add and search for link wrapper or wrapper link, and then we can get rid of this image. Now this wrapper link needs to link to the home page, so we can just type a / here in the link area. And then we need to add some text inside. So we'll click add and type text and drop that in. For this first text element, it's going to say excite. And then we're going to duplicate this one. And the next one will say boom. We're going to set the excite text to red. So let's go into our design tab, go to typography, set the color to red. And then the boom text is going to use our white color. So we'll do the same thing here. Pick white. Now you can't see the excite text at all because it's red on red. So we're going to fix that next. We need to go to our wrapper link, go to the design tab and go to background. And we're going to use a darker version of our main red. So we'll just step it down a little bit like that. We also need to change the layout a bit here. So let's go to layout and we'll set it to layout horizontally so that they're stacked next to each other there. And we don't need a gap or anything. I like them right next to each other, but we do need to go to the container area and set the padding to something like 8 pixels. That might end up being a bit too much. Probably 4 because we're going to make that text quite a bit bigger. And then for the borders, let's give it a 4 pixel border radius. Now let's select the excite text and let's pump that font size up a little bit. We'll do 1 rem. That looks pretty good. So we'll right click that, copy, right click the boom text and click paste design. Now that copied the size across, but it overwrote our color. So we'll just swap that back really quickly. So now we have our little logo up here. Now we need to address our menu here. We're going to remove the account icon, which we don't actually need for this setup. Then we're going to remove blogs, which we don't have a blog. We're going to rename this to shop. And we need to make sure the link is correct for this one. /shop is correct. Let's check this one. /about, home, correct. And then contact is correct. Now, just to keep things in balance with these more prominent items over here on the right, I'm actually going to bump this text size up a little bit. I think 2 rem's too big, so maybe 1.5. Let's try that for this one as well. And that looks a little bit better and more exciting. We definitely don't want our logo to get lost, though we don't want it to be so big that it throws everything else off. So we'll stick with that for now.
And there's our completed 100% custom WooCommerce header. As you can see, customizing your WooCommerce shop header is incredibly easy with Breakdance, thanks to its global first styling and easy to use elements.